Okay, Lady and I are out hiking in Kahakapao on this beautifully rainy day, and the yellow ginger's out in force. Here's where we are. Coming across, we're just going into a ravine now, crossing the ravine. And then, as you can see, there's the trail on the other side. And it is absolutely beautiful. Lady, let's go, come on. Lady, come on. She likes the greens right now. She's hungry. Yeah, she's got a little bit of an upset stomach, so I think she's eating that stuff to help settle her. Anyway, come on, lady. So here's the trail. And look at how beautiful this place is. Especially beautiful on a rainy day like this. All right. Come on, lady. Okay, we're just about at the top of Kahakapao. We're coming out. This ravine's just at the top. All right, I'm going to let you guys go. Aloha.